video is for people that like toffee Kit Kats. Or else just watch it. This is funny every time I said this is going to eat a Kit Kat. Now I'm going to say another sentence. Right? If anybody's like watching this from my class, I hope you watch it before tomorrow, which is Wednesday on June, and before I know how I feel about the other days. Well, I hope you watch this before Wednesday, before we go to the cinema in school. Yeah, so when I was doing the sack race, I hurt my knees, but like this knee is okay. But this knee isn't. Because this one has just got worse from the sack race. Maybe I should do this again. Yeah. Ow, my knee. So I might be wearing this to school tomorrow if it gets any worse or it's still sore. And yeah. I actually kind of need Jake to watch this video as well because he's the boss of the stories that I make of Jake Owl. Not Jake Owl. This is so hard. Look where I'm standing. Never mind where I'm standing. I'm precisely standing with my sore knee going out the way, and then my normal knee just bending. I'm sorry, Jake, but instead of making a long story, I made a song of Jake the Unicorn, which I'd like you to hear and everybody else watching. Let me go get it. I do not have to get off my feet because it's just right beside me, so it's called Jake the Unicorn Song I Can Fly. So here it goes. This. I need to sit. I'm Jake the Unicorn. I'm Jake the Unicorn. One day I could fly, and it was feeling that I've never known. And for the first time, I could fly. I can fly so high in the sky. I fly to the moon. I can fly so high in the sky. I could fly to the moon. I don't know where I'd be song's not that long. And even in school tomorrow, I hope Jake himself is happy with the song. Because if I'm not, I might be fired. And generally, in Casey Hurley, in my class, has been hired to do the job as well. Yeah. What should I do? Well, I can take this bandage off and see and tell you what it looks like. I might consider taking it off, but I'll sacrifice. Wait, I guess we're going forward actually. Move this. Just take it off. I'm not going to take it off fully. Like kinda. Actually, you can see bruises on it. So there's like bruises. I'll just keep the camera where it was because it's way better. There's like bruises there, well that's a cut. And then there's like bruises there. Like there. You might not be able to see that one in the camera. And then there. And there. And there. Playground. Ow, this hurts. I might have to put the camera the other side. It's alright, this funny. And there's like a big. I won't be able to see it because there's no light. And there's a big bruise there. So I'll just pull that up. It stinks since I farted. Let's try to forget about it. Oh no, it is not broken, it is just hurt. Nothing. I wanted at least they're shorter than 11 hours, but I won't make a video probably longer than an hour. It's quite dark. So, yeah. Not much. That's to show you. I'm standing on one leg if I want. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. No, not yet. One more look. It's quite sore. So